Hey everybody, welcome back to this lovely channel. It's in the evening, like late at night. Anyways, as you guys can see by the title of this video, we are doing a cooking with the family, the whole family, because I love these cooking videos so much. And we are going to be making tribe, South African tribes. And no, I'm wrong. We're actually going to be making I'm out of breath. We're going to be making South African traditional food, so I want you guys to see and stay tuned. Stay tuned for this video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. I'm gonna be cooking with the whole family, so there's gonna be like some crusty moments. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Let's just go get cooking. I just wanted to introduce this vlog. Okay, so my sister is making tribe, and this is how it looks. She's actually taking out the mkhodu, guys. Mkhodu, yes, mkhodu. And she's actually taking out the nyoko. Ah, bruh, that's the poo.
Yeah, is it called nyanga where the poop sits? It is, mama. King, the place where makaka dulang. Asinyoko.
It's not.
So I'm peeling the skin so that the meat is clean. Does it make sense? It might look ugly now, but yo,
it tastes good.
Girlfriend.
This is slender hot body. It's a full chicken. So these are sheep feet. I'm gonna just wash them now. My sister's still washing the mkhodu. I'm just gonna wash these and then put them in here, and then we're gonna cook them, and you guys are gonna see how they just turn out to be. Okay, so this is pork, the feet of a pig. We're gonna put them in here, and we're gonna wash them and get ready to cook them. Okay, this is the cooking station. I'm gonna show you what's in what. We have, I don't know what, Mama, what are these called? These legs. These legs. What are they? Sheep legs. Oh, okay, these are the sheep legs. These are my friends. They are called hot body. We're putting this mukhodu on the fire. We don't use the stove at home to cook all of this because of the electricity. It wastes a lot of electricity. So we use gas. And yes, we're cooking in the garage because we've got a gas stove, right? So we just put the mukhodu on the stove, and my mom is just busy spicing it up with Norox just to add some flavor. Beef stock. And then what are we gonna do after here?
But here we're gonna mix up the pudding, homemade pudding.
Oh yes. Apparently this pudding takes 6 hours, so we're going to make pudding for 6 hours. We're gonna make pudding, and then I also have to make pork that I showed you guys. So let me just go and wash it now. And yeah, Linda, where are you? This is the pork. Why does it look red on camera? It's not red. I'm just gonna wash it, so I'm gonna just move everything and then we're gonna go there.
A straight path to walk upon. We could win every time. No, we won't. No, we won't. What did I say? You should worry about. You should worry about all of me. What did I say? You should care about. You should care about what you say.
Hey y'all, we're making
Okay, we need to add
Thick
more pork.
it's pork legs. Thick legs, y'all. Okay guys, so I need to tell you something. You know, African food usually takes 2 days to be cooked, like really nice. Yes, because like, you know, you cook it, we usually cook it at night. We don't cook it during the day. We cook it,
day that you eat it.
yeah, so we cook it like in the evening for the next day, you know, and the meat needs to be like good and so tender. And then the samp that we're also making, it's sitting there. We're only gonna cook it tomorrow. We let it sit so that tomorrow when we cook it, it's like it's quicker, you know. So yeah, it's quicker to make. So yeah, I might come back tomorrow with some done footage of like the whole meal. So yeah, right now my sister is actually cutting the potatoes. What are you gonna make now?
Pudding.
What?
Pudding.
What's pudding?
Pudding.
Pudding is done with potatoes.
Apparently so. I don't know. This lady's gonna say.
Okay, so my mom said she must cut pudding, so she must cut potatoes. So she's actually cutting potatoes so she can make pudding. So yeah, this is actually a recipe that's gonna be passed on to us, and now I'm passing it to y'all. So you guys will actually see this recipe of pudding that you have to grate the carrots and potatoes. These are the ingredients. There's flour. You need flour to make pudding. You need carrots.
A cup of carrots.
A cup of carrots. Ne?
Grated carrots.
Great. Okay. Bicarbonated.
I don't know. It's the same thing. I don't know.
This is what you need. Yeah. And then you also need baking powder. You need butter and potatoes, which is what she's doing. So I was also saying there's something else I wanted to say, bro.
Tomorrow. Hopefully.
Oh yeah, hopefully I will taste something tomorrow, and well, tomorrow morning before I leave, because I'm not gonna be here for this whole thing that's happening at home. So I'll taste something, and my mom's also gonna take some videos on her phone for us, and she's gonna send them, and then it'll all be like included in this little Cook with Gold's family. My sister is like my other half, guys. She knows what I'm about to say. She says everything. Okay, let's go and check on let's go and check on mom. How do you make pudding with carrots and potatoes?
Delicious. You know what is missing?
What? Okay, I'm coming. Ooh, my favorite. So my favorite is really cooking right now. This is mohodu. It's like doing the things, guys. We're doing the things, cooking the African food. This is amazing, guys. You know, oh, if you know, you know. Honestly, if you know, you know. This is like one of the best African dishes you can ever have. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, no, why am I introducing you guys? Okay, anyways, so it's the next day, and I just got ready. I'm going to an event with my with my sister, with my siblings actually. So I just want to show you guys the food, because it cooked overnight and we're still cooking today. Well, my mom is still gonna carry on cooking. So I want to show you guys the food and how it's turned out to be, because most of the things have already been cooked and they're ready to be eaten. So let's go show you how everything looks. This is the chicken from yesterday. It's all cooked now. Man. Yes. Okay, and then this is sheep leg. What is this?
This is the head. The sheep head. African cuisine.
See the
My
brain.
darling, this is the brain.
Okay, that's the
Medulla
brain.
oblongata.
So now
What is that?
we're just going to get ready to leave, because I'm not going to be here, but then we've already dished up for ourselves and we are about to leave with the girl. So my mom is just going to dish up mohodu for us when it's ready to be eaten, and then we're gonna have it when we get back. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to come back and say goodbye to you guys. So this is probably gonna be my goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna show you when my mom dishes up for everyone that's coming today. I'll show you everything. Hopefully she takes pictures and some videos so that I can show you how everything looks and how all the food looks. Anyways, hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cook. It's not even a little, this was a big cook with me, Cook with Gold's family. And I'm just gonna head out now. I'm gonna make some food and then I'm gonna leave. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you watched until the end, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!